it ain't a question. Oh, it ain't no room for guessing. No more than emotionally.
Room full of beautiful women, but I'm on mine. Room full of women and they notice me. Now all they wanna listen to is Jodeci. Freaking you, freaking you. Is there a freak in you? Come and talk to me. Rush, 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 baby, just like Kamora Lee. So pretty, girl, you belong in the gallery. What's your fantasy? Say something you ain't never did. Like a real. I'm flicking my wrist like I'm a bishop. Diamonds on my chest like a bishop. And these lines right here ain't no hiccup. These lines right here gon' really, really make you. These lines really gonna make you numb like Chuck. This time it's your time. I need to know we're your line. Cause if not, I know there's more around. There's always more. That's for sure. There's always more. That's for sure. Because there's a room full of beautiful women, but I'm on mine. Room full of women and they notice me. Now all they wanna listen to is Jodeci. All I care about is freaking you. All I care about is freaking you. Is there a freak in you? Come and talk to me. I don't like the shy game. I don't like no mind game. Cause by the time you make your mind up, it's a tick times up. Hey, you gon' have to climb it if you want it. Burning rubber, burning through these rubbers is exhausting. Drop, hop, baby girl, it's CrossFit. I'ma grab you by the hips. Hey, diamonds on my chest like a bishop. And these lines right here ain't no hiccup. These lines right here gon' really, really make you. These lines really gonna make you numb like Chuck. This time it's your time. I need to know we're your line. Cause if not, I know there's more around. Ain't no peer pressure, but it's what you wanna do. It's what kind of mood you in. You know what I wanna do.
I just wanna take you out and show you off. You already know that you the perfect one. Girl, when I'm with you, feel like a champion. Ever since I got with you, I feel like I done won me a trophy. A trophy. I want me a trophy. A trophy. I just wanna take you out and show you off. You already know that you the perfect one. Girl, when I'm with you, feel like a champion. Ever since I got with you, I feel like I done won me a trophy. Trophy. I want me a trophy. A trophy. I want me a trophy. Get the fucking on the dresser just to make that pussy wetter. Gotta put you in that vintage, now you rockin' Perry Ellis, then I leave it. Only cause I believe in you. We get the banging on the walls just to piss the neighbors off. You in the 12-foot ceilings, I just painted through the hall so I can breathe. I wanna live my dream with you. You say that money don't matter, it's the times and the memories. Now that ass getting fatter and I know it's because of me. I know it's because of me. I know it's because of me. Got you in custody. Whoever knocking at the door, they gotta wait till we finish. I know I started at the bottom, but that ain't what we end. I just wanna take you out and show you out. You already know that you're the perfect one. Girl, when I'm with you, feel like a champion. Ever since I got with you, I feel like I done won me a trophy. Trophy.
see, this is the end result. It looks cute in the mirror, but on this camera, it's not giving, and I don't know why. Yeah, Juju.
What she say? Yes, you ate, man, you ate.
Okay. I got nervous for a little minute. The vein was looking right on camera.
You ate, that look good.
What y'all doing? Let's call it, see if you like it.
Yeah.
Girl, it's a synthetic wig, girl.
That look good, though.
Thank you. This hair is from Soki Store. It's a 13x4 lace frontal wig, 32-inch silver body wave, pre-plucked hairline with baby hair transparent lace, heat-friendly synthetic light gray wig. It's a synthetic wig. If you get a synthetic wig, you know it's gonna not gonna stay straight or curly the whole time. Like, you're gonna have a hard time combing out the curls and all that. But anything other than that, the lace is good. You can see the tracks, but the lace is good. The lace melted real good. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell so you can be notified. You know this, man. Without further ado, peace.